you are showing this video, so how you can apply this type of animation in your text, smooth animation in Kinemaster. Hi everyone, in this video I will show how you can add smooth text animations in Kinemaster video editor. So it's easy and makes your videos look more professional. Let's get start this video. First of all, you have to open the application. You must make sure you have the clip you wanna use in video editor. Now I have to open create new project, choose video size or ratio, choosing clip. Here now you have to click on layer, click on text. Now you have to write the text which you want to. I'm writing here, have a nice day. Click on OK. It's not saved here. Again I am adding the text. Keyboard too small here. Now that you can change its time frame here, extending the layer of text. Now click on again text, increase its size and change font. The default font is not good. I'm choosing this perfect one font that this font is amazing. You can download from here, store of Kinemaster. Now you have to click on in animation for applying animation when showing the text. Choose fade. You see the animation. This is a smooth animation. You can choose the out. This is also very smooth. Slide right. You can also choose its overall animation like flicker and anything. And after this you can export your video and use. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.